Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So today in this video we will discuss about the holidays homework of science. So in holidays homework of science you have to perform two activities at home, and there are some few question answers that you have to do. Okay, and please take a note of one thing, that your holidays homework of science you will do on a separate notebook. Okay, you have to buy a small notebook from the market, that is of 5 rupee or 10 rupee notebook. On that notebook you will do your science holidays homework. Clear everyone? So your first activity is role of different nutrients. So in this activity you have to, firstly you have to choose some different food items that will be available at your home. Okay, and after that you will write down the names of the nutrients that will be present in those food items. Clear everyone? Now the third thing is, then you will paste the pictures of the different food items that you have chosen from your home, or you can say different sources of nutrients. Okay, that you have taken from your home, or you can do all these things in the form of table that I have given you one example over here. First of all you will write down the name of the nutrient, like I have written proteins, and then source means, like I have taken from my home pulses and milk, that in pulses and milk proteins are present. Okay, but I have written over here na pulses and milk, but you will not write, you will paste the pictures of pulses and milk. Okay, after that you will write the importance of the nutrients, that why proteins are important. Clear everyone? After that in the same manner you will write down the other nutrients, like after proteins carbohydrates fats vitamins minerals. Okay, so in the same manner you will do, or you will write all the nutrients, and from where, what are the sources of those nutrients, you will paste the pictures of those sources, and then you will write the importance. Clear? And the next one is, then after that, after writing all the nutrients, then you will categorize those different nutrients, ठीक है, into these below mentioned three groups, that which nutrients are body building nutrients, which are energy giving nutrients, and which ones are the you can say which protect us from the diseases. Clear everyone? And like this you will categorize all the nutrients. So this was your first activity. Now the second activity, this is very easy again. In this activity what you have to do, you have to collect different fabrics. ठीक है, आपने अलग अलग तरह के फैब्रिक्स और फाइबर्स कलेक्ट करने हैं. इफ फाइबर्स विल नॉट बी अवेलेबल एट योर होम, ठीक है, हर तरह के फाइबर्स हमारे घर पे नहीं प्रेजेंट होते, देन यू कैन टेक फैब्रिक मीन्स स्मॉल पीसीज ऑफ क्लॉथ्स यू कैन टेक. ठीक है, एंड लाइक यू हैव टू कलेक्ट ऑल द fabrics like natural and synthetic fabrics. Okay, and then you will paste them on a A4 sheet. A4 sheet के ऊपर आप उनको paste करोगे, and in the form of poster you will show all the different types of fabrics along with labeling. ठीक है, आप उनकी लेबलिंग करोगे कि ये जैसे ये कॉटन फैब्रिक है, ये सिल्क फैब्रिक है, ये नाइलॉन फैब्रिक है. ठीक है, एंड यू हैव टू राइट वन करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑल्सो. ठीक है, अलॉन्ग विद दैट हर फैब्रिक का, हर फाइबर का आपने एक एक करेक्टरिस्टिक लिखना है, दैट द मेन करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ईच फाइबर. Now the next one is, these are the question answers. These are some question answers. 12 question answers are there, and these are one word question answers that you have to do, and you will do these question answers and your first activity. These things you will do on your separate science holidays homework notebook. Clear everyone? I hope everyone is clear with my instructions, and if there will be any confusion then you can call me at any time and you can ask me. Okay everyone, so stay safe, stay healthy. Bye everyone.